Okay, here's the rear fuel pump. Got that one out, no problem. It took a little bit, these rings are in there. And the other one's loose. Here's the ring for it to keep the crap out of it. I'm not going to take this one off. I'm still waiting. They say Sunday, but it'll more likely be Monday. We'll put this in, put that on, and be on our way. Okay, so the new fuel pumps came, and I bought these on Amazon. A couple things about Amazon. If I'm rebuilding an engine and I'm going to put a piston in it, I'm not going to go to Amazon because there's too much work involved tearing the thing apart and putting it back in, and I want quality. These fuel pumps here were much cheaper than O'Reilly's and Napa. I actually went to Napa a few weeks ago and I asked for an American-made part because it was one of those parts that it took a while to get to. He said, "Sir, 9 out of 10 parts that we sell here all come from China." So anyway, these were on Amazon. They were a little more expensive. The seller had a really good rating. Anybody that had a problem, the seller got back with. So not to mention, with me taking this thing off of here, I can take it back off once I put it in an hour. So if these parts do go bad, it's not going to take me long to take off. Now, I would think twice if I had pulled the tanks and all the straps and working up in here and on my back. I'd think twice about buying something off Amazon. But to take these in and out now is going to be easy. They're pretty easy to install. Comes with the rubber washer, gasket that goes on there with the rings. I do have to cut new ends. It's not going to be that big of a deal. Front and back, this has got 2 pumps. Easy to determine. Here's the back one, short cord, and here's the front one, long cord. So anyway, it's pretty straightforward how to do this. So let's get on her. So here's something I thought was kind of funny. This is the old connection. The old connection's here, and here's the new connections. Okay, obviously they're different, but they send a little pigtail. I got looking around because that pigtail looked awful familiar. They use that same pigtail on this truck right here for my lights. So kind of weird they did that, but oh well, onward we go. Well, would you looky there. I went over to Walmart. I needed an electric heat gun for the splices that I have. They're a tin splice with the heat shrink around them. Anyway, yeah, couldn't use this. Way too potent, and even with this is MAP gas, even with regular propane. So yeah, they had the butane ones, but here this is just electric, so I never have to worry about refilling it, and it's not a flame, it's actually a heat gun. So good deal here. Okay, well, we've got the new fuel pump on. I've got the hoses connected. I just need to put the safety clips on these. I've got the new wiring for this one done, and same with this one here. I've got everything done. I'm just doing the wiring right here. I find these things, I got these on Amazon. They're pretty good. They're a lot better than the regular crimp ones. The only thing is I needed to get a proper heat gun. A flame, just too much. But these are working, these work really well here, as you can see. So yep, all I got to do is finish this up, and then we're taking her for a test drive. And there you go. Both in, both running. So now, can't tell, but it's idling kind of rough. Again, 30-year-old vehicle. Injectors. I got some Bosch ones I'm probably going to get and put some injectors in.